What's up, guys? This is Robert coming to you with another quick video. Today we are talking about CNA and how to build credibility with your customer or your audience or whoever it is you are trying to attract in your business. Okay? So we're going to talk about a couple of ways to do that. The first is consistency. So the C stands for consistency. For those of you who don't know, consistency means just that. It means staying on top of things, always being there so that your customer knows that they can count on you. And this is kind of like what some of my points here show you. So one thing I have here is that your customer gets to know you if you're consistent. So if you're always there, your customer sees you all the time, you're very consistent to them. They know you're not a fly-by-night type of person, type of business. Okay? Second point is they feel that they can count on you. So if they know you're always there, you're always consistent, they know that you're always there to respond to them. They know you're always there when they have concerns. This is how you can build credibility with your customer or with your audience, of course. So the third way is, result rather, is it's really the only true way to build a business. So there are no businesses that are built on inconsistency. So in order to build any business, you must be very consistent as a business owner, and you must be consistent as far as staying on top of your business. When there are issues, when there are not issues, it doesn't matter. You have to be there checking on it all the time and always be a consistent presence in your business. The A stands for authenticity, okay? And authenticity is being true to yourself no matter what that is, okay? So if you are not the kind of person who, let's say, does videos like I'm doing right now, that may not be you being true to yourself. That just may not be your style. You may be more of a different kind of a person who maybe doesn't put up these kind of videos. If you want to learn to do something like this, learn to do videos, that's different. But if you are being inauthentic, people can actually tell. People like authenticity, and they can sense when you are faking it. Okay? So if you are doing something that's out of your character, once people get to know you and all of a sudden you change and start doing things that are really out of your character, people can kind of sense that, and they'll call you out on it. So, and that actually kind of loses you credibility a little bit with your audience. Now, when you are authentic, some will like it and others may not, but that is okay. You can't please everybody, so some people are not going to like your authentic self. They're just not going to be into your style of business, it may be. But that's fine. As I said before, you cannot please everyone. Your job is to be authentic in your business, and you will attract the kind of people who you want to attract, who are naturally attracted to you the way you are in your business. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. Consistency and authenticity in your business is what's most important to grow it and to build credibility with your audience. Guys, if you want more content like this, subscribe below for more. You can subscribe right below this video to my YouTube channel. I'll be putting up videos with content like this all the time. So just be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and you'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.